Here's this brand of 1/4-inch drip tubing flower patio lawn made in China, and you can tell it's made in China. It comes in this box and it's all super nice and wrapped with the Chinese like tied up pieces, and it smells like it's made in China, and you can see how like low quality it is. It's very super squishy, so it's not really useful for drip tubing. Like maybe it's easy to get. You can see how easy I can pull. It's just super squishy. You can get the parts squished into it, but I don't know how well they're gonna stay. So I'm sending that one back. This is the kind that I usually get, is the Rainbird. Let's see if this says if that, yeah, 1/4-inch tubing, and you can see it's a little more rigid. It's harder for me to squeeze, therefore it's going to hold the barbed pieces in there much more rigidly. It's much harder to squeeze in the middle. You can squeeze the end of it obviously because it's open there, but which is good, so then you can squeeze the pieces in there, but to actually get it's hard to squeeze that, so it's more rigid. It's still flexible like that much, before it will crimp off eventually, but it has some flexibility compared to this just garbagey stuff that I'm returning. That's it's super squish. Any little pinch in the line or between pots or anything, it's just going to crimp it off very easily. So highly do not recommend this brand. I'm not even sure how you say that, Tria. And I do recommend the Rainbird one is pretty good, so go for it. Happy gardening.